Take a look at this 1966 Chevy C10. Nice looking truck. A little history to this. First off, truck is a 3-owner vehicle originating out of Texas. There's a box of some paperwork on the other side. When we get around to it, I'm just going to kind of point it out, and if you have any questions, you'll be able to call and consult with a sales associate. The 3-owner truck, originally out of Texas, was restored back in 1996, has not been in rain, any sort of inclement weather since, and it shows. Obviously chrome bright work on the front of this, nice shape. You got some very fine, just almost like polishing scratches, if that, in there, but nice looking front of this truck. The paint also in nice shape. Wouldn't be afraid to take this to any local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Truck will definitely turn some heads. Now, underneath the hood, powered by a 327, and from what I can tell by the suffix code on it, looks like a 1966 327, and that also has power steering, power brakes, nice tidy engine compartment. You want to see it, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. And like I said, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. We do have a shop here, and this truck would have went through and been inspected by our technicians. You're sure welcome to consult with a sales associate about that. Look up and down the side of this, you can see how straight it is. I mean, it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, bright work. Maybe a couple little indentations on it, just a little bit. We're getting real fussy picking it over. What a nice looking truck. Kind of cool look with American Racing mag wheels, wide whites on it. Now, if that's not your cup of tea, FYI, there are some steel wheels that will go with it. And then here are some of the extra things that are going to go with it too, and I'll get into what's been done to this truck. That there is the extra. We got floor mats, air cleaner, wheel covers. Now you can see some brake components, some drums, Edelbrock boxes. So this does have front disc brakes. Like I said, they are power. FYI, this is that box of some paperwork. You can see Texas Highway Department there. There's a little history to this truck goes with it. But Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb were added to it when the truck was restored and the engine's been done. And we'll check out the engine bay here shortly too. So you do have those extras that go with, and they're in the pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear comb and the bumper, good shape. Dual exhaust coming out of the back of this. Great starting truck. Always fires right up. Check out the bed. Wood in nice shape. If somebody wanted to re-lacquer it, sure could. But still nice looking. And remember those still pictures, over 100 of them. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Again, look up and down the driver's side of this too. It's just wow. One little blemish here, seen that's touched up. You can see that. And there was a spot on the other side on the roof rail. There's a little spot. Let me slip around there so I remember to show you that. Yeah, see, where'd it go? Right here where it was touched up. Let's see. Whoop, right there. You can see it. Again, nothing real major, but I'd like to point those out for you, for those of you that may be buying sight unseen. All right, let's go check out the interior of this. I love the dash in the 66s. Kind of a modern looking dash, but you look back at how old this truck is. Just love the dash. Look at that. Vinyl bench seat, nice shape. I took the mats out so you can see the padding on the floor. Also very nice shape. Doors. And you can see there's a data tag that's down in this kind of kick paddle in here. There'll be a picture of that. In with the pictures online. VIN tag, of course, is right up here in these. That'll be in the pictures also. go ahead and fire it up. As you can see, that 327 is paired with an automatic transmission. I have not had the radio work. Looks like it's got an old Motorola transistor radio in it. Did not have that fired up, did not have it working. Wipers worked. Those are fine. Otherwise, the interior of this truck also very nice shape. Oh, nice. That door closes, barely pushing it. All right, slip around to the back here. This thing run. Good sounding truck. Doesn't appear to smoke. All right, I'm going to slip up here to the front. I want to pause this a second. We'll check out that engine bay and get a look at that also. All right, got the hood popped. Check out the engine bay here. So again, power steering, power brakes. Again, look at new brake components. Of course, I talked about the Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock chrome valve cover. So that's what the boxes are over there as far as the original intake, original carb, valve covers, all that stuff's still there. And again, 327 from the suffix code on the block. Looks like a 1966, so error correct. Nice smooth running truck. See the heater hoses still hooked up there. Yeah. Looks as good under the hood as it does the rest of this truck. And once again, over 100 pictures online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, click on it. There's a link there that's going to take you right to our website. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.